Stop by and take a look at the 2018 BMW 4 Series. The BMW 4 Series is a powerful machine which comes with impressive handling, upscale interiors, and it delivers on BMW's ultimate driving machine. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: turbocharged, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, brake assist, daytime running lights, tires, rear performance, rain sensing wipers, fog lamps, integrated turn signal mirrors, rear wheel drive. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.